Hey guys, so for today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I did one of my effects in my idle video. It was a request, so thank God they did that in time because I didn't know what else I was going to do today. Okay, so I'm going to first start off by just making sure she's where I want her to be. You kind of want to make sure they are kind of in the middle. It doesn't matter if they're exactly in the center, but it helps if you have something just in the middle so you can put the triangles on the corresponding sides. That might have not been the right word, but here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Gonna make it black and white just so I can see what is going on. And gonna go ahead and make, oops, this triangle. And I'm gonna position it over here and make it smaller. And I'm bringing that up by pressing S. Then P for position. And I'm going to duplicate this again. Take off the mask and do the opposite side. Maybe that is too wide. Alright, there we go. I'm going to position this on the other side. Let me just make sure the anchor point is in the middle. Position, and we'll put it right here. Scale it down a bit. Okay, now we're going to build the lines. I'm going to create a new solid. Just make this opacity to 20 so you can see what's going on. Then I'm going to just make sure this is aligned with that edge. I'm going to hit Control and click out of the mask and make another one. Oops. I'm going to hit V to bring up the selection tool. And there we go with that one. Now we're going to do that control click thing so you get out of the mask. And do the same to this side. Okay. Next I'm going to turn the opacity up and add Trapco 3D stroke. Make it kind of skinny. I believe I added the taper. Just made a few changes. And I just changed the offset to animate so you can kind of get some line movement. Okay, next I am going to add an adjustment layer. We're going to add blur to it, camera lens blur. And then we're going to mask out these triangles here. maybe add a little more blur. Next I will add brightness and contrast, just make it get that little white effect here. And I believe I put this under the lines so you don't blur out the lines. And then I'm just going to have this flash. This effect looks a lot cooler when everything else is moving, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use a picture because I do not have clips rendered out for this. And then you can put text wherever. Text. And that's pretty much it for this effect. If you have any requests, you know where to find me, and I will see you guys next week.